Okay, meteorologist Dean Davis and Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We're taking a look at what's going to happen over the next couple days, and we're taking a look at the Weather Prediction Center. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with the fronts and so forth. You can see we have a low pressure system moving off tonight. A cold front in behind that. We have another front in the west. You have two low pressure systems, and these are actually going to start affecting us towards Wednesday, and then it'll move off. So it looks like it's like a 1 day thing. We have the low pressure along the Gulf Coast that's going to move near Florida, push rain there. You see the front move through the Roanoke Valley and towards the Delaware Valley to move through on the day on Wednesday. So maybe a slight and isolated shower in the Delaware Valley, but then nothing really. After that, we have the low pressure going to start moving up the coast. That'll put some rain along the mountains and continue in this way. We will continue this with day 3, which shows high pressure moving in. This is going to be on the day on Thursday. Friday we see the high pressure build, and this will keep the weekend nice and also dry as we head towards next week. Then we will have this breakdown eventually late next week, but the heat will be on. We're talking about temperatures up near 90, anywhere from the Delaware Valley down through Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. So we would be looking at pretty strong heat at that point. Not looking over a whole bunch of stuff here. Something else. Slight rain, heavy rainfall area. This is actually new. That was something they do where you get the high rain. This was today. So you see where the areas with the heaviest rain potential were. You can see now Florida is the day on Tuesday. Wednesday, that goes to South Florida. And really not much in the way of heavy rainfall other than in Florida. Storm Prediction Center for severe weather shows a little marginal area still stuck here on the Carolina coast, but that will change, and we're going to see storms, if any, going back out towards the west, towards West Texas, New Mexico, up through Colorado and parts of that area. The marginal risk also around Orlando and parts of Florida. We'll continue on. And like I said, this is going to be not huge because we're going to have that Bermuda's type high stuck. So this is going to pretty much be the areas that you're going to see the most prevalent chances of severe weather. Is going to be the Midwest. So that's where we're at now. And like I said, heat after the weekend, we're talking about a possible heat wave in the 90s next week. So we'll get all into that with tomorrow's outlook. Until then, we'll talk to you again later. Meteorologist Dean Davis, and thanks for watching. Have a great evening.